The Canadian Agri-Food Policy Institute is driving bold policy solutions for a resilient Canadian agri-food system and building a stronger future for Canadian agriculture. Visit capi-icpa.com to discover how.
At the beginning of the month, Transport Canada rolled out new rules for medium-sized drones. That's the 25 to 150 kilogram range. The big headline is you can now fly them in visual line of sight without chasing down a special flight certificate. You still need the right pilot credentials and clearance if you're in controlled airspace, but overall the process is getting a lot simpler. We had the chance at Agri-Trade in Red Deer to speak with a few companies that specialize in drones, and this is what they had to say about the regulation changes.
From 25 kilograms to 150 kilograms is now a category where you can fly with just an advanced certificate. So no need for a special flight operation certificate and 80 pages of paperwork anymore. You just need to get certified. Learn the rules, get certified, and you can fly. So that's the big changes that happened yesterday.
And for those who don't know, talk a little bit about what that Special Flight Operations Certificate, or SFOC, looked like in the past, or what it would take to get one now. Sure,
you would still need it for a drone this big if you want to fill it to the top, because this is 177 kilograms. So 150 is the limit. Above that, you apply for it's a customized certificate for each operation. So you're going to outline what your risks are, what the capabilities of your aircraft are, how you're going to mitigate those risks to fly safely. But it is about a 3 to 6 week process, 80 to 100 pages of paperwork. So yeah, there's cost now involved as well. An $800 cost for a medium complexity application.
And that's for one flight?
No, that's for a year.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And it depends on the level of complexity. For smaller drones, you can get SFOCs for nothing. But yeah, most of them have a fee attached now as well.
So how are you feeling, and what are your thoughts around the new regulation changes and the ability to do that with an advanced license?
I think Transport Canada has done incredibly well to bring drones into their airspace. I mean, these are big, big tools now, and we can use those on the farm as a fairly new operator. The only thing that we can't do yet is apply pesticides, and as much as I love what Transport Canada has done, Health Canada has been much less accommodating. We're still waiting for some significant change in the rules there. But Transport Canada's changes yesterday, awesome.
Tell me a little bit about what the changes were, especially around medium-sized drones, and what your reaction is to them.
Yeah, we're actually very excited, especially for farmers in the agriculture world, drone world. So now with farmers, if they are not exceeding the capacity, now they don't have to have the Special Flight Operations Certificate, the SFOC. So that's just an extra step that obviously farmers don't want to have to worry about if they don't legally have to. And so now with that change, as long as they stay under the weight restrictions, they don't have to do that. So we're happy.
Right, and they do still need their advanced license. So what does the process look like to get an advanced license?
It's really quite straightforward. The cost is minimal on Transport Canada's website. Training, some people actually do the training themselves and can do it all online. It's very simple. We offer a 3-day course where everything is laid out for them so that they can feel confident to write that exam and pass it. So really straightforward.
And what type of difference do you think it's going to make for farmers on the ground now?
Well, I think it's just another thing that helps them to see that drone technology is moving forward. Something they're going to use more, not only to be more efficient, but also to have things in place so that they can use them in their day-to-day operations.
How much easier is it now for farmers?
Oh, gorgeous. It's save a lot of time. Time before, so we need to prepare a bunch of documents. They take more than 1 week to prepare, a lot of time to negotiation. But at that time, we already built up a really good relationship with Transport Canada. Now they release a new regular, save a lot of time. Now, if you have a license, you can fly. Save a lot of time, right?
That's terrific. What are you hoping for in the future with regulations?
Future, as our customer farmers say, the bigger the better.
And what impact do you think this will have on farmers?
I think it's going to make it a lot more accessible to start with a big spray drone like this. All the paperwork and stuff at the SFOC was very cumbersome to start with, so this really just streamlines the process to get you into a spray drone.
Wonderful. And any words of encouragement for growers if they're out looking to purchase a drone?
Words of encouragement? Yeah, drones, I think they're here to stay. They seem to work great. Yeah, it should be another good year in 2026.